Alrighty, mathematicians, we are in Algebra 1. This is section 521. All right, and today we are going to be doing problem 5-53. All right, it says solve each system, and here is our system right there. Now notice, remember, a system of equation has both an x and a y and two separate equations. So here's the first thing that I notice when I look at this problem. Notice how this one is y and then an x, and this one has an x and a y. Notice they're opposites, right? Now remember, if we want things to cancel, we should probably line them up. So let's go ahead, let's switch this 3 and that y, because addition is commutative, right? We can switch those around. So I'm going to rearrange this bottom one to look right here. So it'll look like this. 3x plus y, because notice this is a positive y, plus y equals -10. Whoa, that made our problem a whole lot easier, because notice now we can do elimination method, which again, elimination method is when we are adding them together, and look at what happens to the y's. -y plus y, they go away, and so then you would get 8x equals, hey, look, 2 minus 10, because there's a negative sign, right? That would be -8 divided by 8, and we get x equals -1. Now remember, we're not done, right? We need to solve for both x and y. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to plug it in the top equation, right? You revert back to substitution. So it looks like this. Y plus 3, and now we're not going to write x. We're going to write what x equals, and that is -1 equals -10, and we solve for y. All right, so let's do this. So we got y minus 3, right? Because 3 times -1 is -3 equals -10. All right, add your 3 over, and you end up with y equals -7. Now, again, remember, you are not done yet. You have x, you have y. Our last thing is we need to write it as an ordered pair, and that is just our answer, right? So we're going to start by writing two parentheses. X comes first, so -1. Y comes second, -7, and that is your final answer.